Okay, morning everyone, and welcome to the briefing on Thursday, the 30th of March. So first off, taking a look at the synoptic, we see a reasonably unsettled picture today. We got this trough line just to the east of us, followed by this occluded front this is at midday, with those isobars pretty tightly packed, bringing us these southwesterly winds. As we're looking ahead to tomorrow, looking a little bit doubtful. Those isobars are very close together, and we're pretty much at the center of this low pressure. Probably to be way too showery tomorrow. Further ahead to Saturday, depends on the exact positioning of this front. It could be flyable, or could be again showery and horrible all day. A couple of weather warnings for today. Strong wind, and that's valid from 1 till 6 p.m. There's also one from 9 till 1, so they're covering themselves all day there. And also for the chance of thunderstorms at 12 till 1 p.m. Spot winds today at flying height, we're looking sort of west-southwest at about 30 to 35 knots, reasonably breezy. And the current view from above is showing actually reasonably clear in places, but looks like sort of scattered showers developing around here. Standby. Yeah, so I'm hoping everyone can see and hear me again. Yeah, so rain radar showing various scattered showers around. I expect more to develop throughout the day. Public forecast is suggesting quite a lot of rain at the moment, and then just off and on throughout the day with sunny intervals, with a high of 13 degrees. But pretty windy all day, which is going to be potentially the main problem. Gusting 28 at the moment, then dying off, and then potentially coming back again about 3 o'clock. Visibility increasing, it's a little bit low at the moment, and humidity is quite high still at the moment, but that's reducing throughout the day. Top temperatures today of about 12 or 13 degrees, with a dew point of 9 or 10. So by the time we get there, that's a reasonable split, should be good enough for flying. And that's the current view outside. Some scattered clouds, but very, very low, I think, at the moment. It's not working. Farnborough, it's not picking up a height, but yeah, it's just 14 knots of wind from the southwest. Good visibility. Yeah, few clouds at 200 feet. Forecast is very much the same wind, scattered clouds at 4,500 feet. It's quite optimistic. We've got a tempo here for rain showers and a prop 30 tempo for gusts up to 28 knots. Broken clouds at 1,200 feet and cumulonimbus and heavy rain showers. So they're covering themselves there. So Meteo is saying sort of 10 a.m. some lowish cloud and maybe a small amount of fog, but unlikely, I'd say. Some drizzle in places. As we go through to midday, looking at some of these showers developing. Not suggesting cloud base is going to be an issue, but quite a lot of showers now. And I think I did see a few sort of potential CBs around here. Yeah, so potential for cumulonimbus around. NOTAM wise, nothing to affect the usual ones around here. Number 18, high intensity radio transmissions at Boscombe Down, but nothing that's going to affect us if we go flying. So operationally, if we do go flying, it will be runway 23. I'll go and see how wet the grass is. It may be the case that we need to operate fully on the runway. So in that case, it will be cables going down the edge of the runway here. And circuits will be onto 2.7 from a left-hand circuit and onto 2.3 from a right-hand circuit. I'm assuming we'll have to do that because I expect it'll be quite wet. In terms of flying today, I'd say it's probably about 50-50. I think there is something to be had, but it's just a little bit too breezy and that cloud a little bit low at the moment. So we'll hold off for the morning. Most people seem to be booked in for the afternoon anyway. So if you are booked in for the afternoon, give us a call around midday before you set off, and I'll let you know what the chance of flying is. So hopefully I'll see you out on the airfield. Bye for now.